Good evening from Japan. Looks like something happened to Cloudflare. Its stock is going down pre-market dramatically, like 15%. And yeah, let's see what happened. I am not actually not sure what is going on here. And quote says Cloudflare Q1 earnings beat layoffs 20% of workforce. Actually, sounds like not that bad news. Okay, so let's see what happened. Investor relations. Let's see, investor presentation, and yeah, financial results. Okay, the revenue total $640 million, increase of 34% year over year. Pretty solid growth. GAAP loss from operations of $62 million. So it's still losing money in terms of profit and loss statement. And on non-GAAP basis, it is profitable, 11%. So that's kind of it. And okay. Yeah, we all know Cloudflare is a really strong platform, and it is still growing nicely, and it is yeah, it is very competitive company with AI as a tailwind, but the stock price is dropping, and let's see what is going on here. I think just the reason of the stock going down is just the valuation is too high. I think $90 billion, and revenue is only $2 billion, right? It is like, yeah, pretty huge multiple. I think the expectation from the market was too high, and sometimes the stock just drops. But I think the competitiveness of Cloudflare is solid. I'm using Cloudflare as a developer as well. I don't think any other platform can be an alternative to it. Um, yeah, it is really good. But as an investment target, um, I don't think it's a good idea. The valuation is too high. $90 billion. That's funny. That's I don't say it's funny. It is like, yeah, it is fish, and it is already it have already eaten you know return in the future, capital gain in the future. So that is something already happened so far. So I don't know why the valuation is so high. It is still losing money, and the market is yeah, valuing that company at $90 billion, which is obviously really huge. Okay, so yeah, I think that is, you know, anything else is not that related. It is just high valued company with solid business. So sometimes that kind of company stock just collapses without any big reason. And yeah, probably it's related with um Fastly as well, right? Fastly stock went dramatically down as well. So I don't know, but the valuation is just high. I don't think it's a good buy, right? This highest and lowest price target is $300. Really? Which is, from cash flow basis, it is really difficult to, um, make it legit. I mean, you know, if you buy Cloudflare at this price, whole company, how long does it take to, um, take back that money? It takes like, forever, right? It is nice company, but it is still losing money. Um, I don't know how long it takes to be really profitable. I don't know. It is a great company, but I don't know. I just don't know. And it is already widely known platform. So yeah, I yeah, actually the cash flow is positive, obviously, because this kind of company has huge stock-based compensation expense. It is non-cash expense. So its cash flow is solid. Yeah, that is interesting. That is good for the management people and some employees. But for shareholders, I'm not sure if that's a good idea. And I really like the product by Cloudflare, but as an investor, I won't invest into the company at this price point. So the question is, what's the price point I can, buy Cloudflare? That's that is that can be a good question, right? And that is actually much lower than the current price point because I don't invest into the future, basically. I invest into the, current fair value, like in discounted cash flow basis, and something we really know. And I try to forget something, um, you know, less uh, sure thing, right? So, anyway, though in this year, Cloudflare has revenue forecast of $2.8 billion with operating income of $418 million, right? And these are non-GAAP basis EPS of the so yeah, it's still really high multiple. So I think Cloudflare is obviously a really good company, and I think really good company can have multiple of the its income growth ratio. So I mean the PEG ratio, right? And I think I don't know about what is the current growth level of the Cloudflare. Let's see. EPS. Okay, let's accept the non-GAAP thing. No, nothing here. Okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, it's not easily accessible, but I don't know. Let's look for it. Okay, okay. Actually, let's just calculate on the income from operations. So it is so 30% of the income growth. So I think the fair multiple of the company at this point is 3 times. That means, it has the EPS guidance of $1.2 in the upper range. That means the stock price should be $36, but it is priced like this. So I think it's crazily high. Um, but I don't know why that is like this. Okay. So my forecast actually, I don't forecast about I don't speculate about the stock price change, but you know, anything can happen in the stock market, and obviously it is really high value, so it can halve or maybe go down farther. But as long as the growth is solid, it can be stable. But I don't expect so much gain from here. And the gain I expect is like doubling the stock price, which means the market cap will be $180 billion, which is crazy, right? So I want to invest into Cloudflare. That is my personal opinion, so don't take it too seriously. If you are interested in investing in Cloudflare, go for it on your own analysis. So that is something I thought about Cloudflare.